How you can resume Claude Code conversation in terminal on Mac. So firstly, open your terminal and you want to launch the Claude. So type here Claude and wait until it's launched. And now you simply want to type here slash and resume and press enter. So you will resume a previous conversation, but you can choose actually the conversation with this command. So you can go down, use the down or up arrow, and you can choose which conversation you want to resume. So once you click that, make sure to press enter. And now it's gonna ask you if you want to really resume it, because if you do, it will consume substantial portion of your usage tokens. This mine session has more than 20 hours. So you can resume it from summary or resume for session as is. I recommend you to use the first option, and it's simply as that. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.